So watch how that light is flickering just at idle even. I wonder if part of this is a voltage issue, which would actually make perfect sense as to why it works good sometimes and like garbage others. I'm trying to get her to get to behaving enough to idle so I can see what's going on. Anyway, now we're running rough, but running. Don't stall on me, you rat. Definitely has a nice big exhaust leak back here. And the smog pump sounds like it's about to disintegrate. See what she does in here. Curious if we have a vacuum this. Whoa, we found a leak. Active leak. Active leak. That's a problem. It's definitely part of our issue. It's running better now. I just drove it around the building. And it runs better, but it's also warmed up. And it's very cold-blooded still, but we gotta address the intake for sure.